Okay, I'm just starting this. We'll just go ahead with this and okay. I just want to I'll just share that content. Okay, I'm just sharing that. First, see, some of you don't have the book. Okay, some of you don't have the book. So that is the reason why I'm just doing this. I'm just sharing the first page. So shall I start with the yes? I hope you're all
Sir,
ready with
we
that.
can't see it. You can zoom it.
Yes, sir, you can
Yes.
start the class.
We can't see it. Can you zoom it, sir?
Okay, okay. Don't worry. I'll just try to zoom
Sir,
it.
you tell the book name,
Okay. Can
sir.
you see me now? Yes. I'll try to zoom.
Sir,
If you're
sir,
those
what is
boys,
the book name?
yes. Book name is
Sir,
Grammar and Composition Firefly. I have already sent in the group also. You can refer there. What is there in the group?
sir,
In
repeat
the
once again,
Whats
sir. Book name, sir. Say the
book
title
name
of
is Grammar and Composition.
Grammar and Composition 4. Sir,
Four
send the title
and yes, I'm sharing that first page.
of. Sir,
I'm,
separate book.
tell.
Sir, where do we get these books, sir?
These books
Where
are
do we
of the
ask,
private
sir?
publication. These books are of private publication. They will be available anywhere in the market. These books are not of NCRT. They are of private publication. Okay, so you'll
Separate
be
book.
able to find them anywhere in the market, right?
Got it,
Okay,
sir. Got it.
so there's no problem. I'll just
Please
for
zoom
your
it, sir. The separate book.
uh, zooming, I think you can do it there wherever you are. I think you can do it in your own screen only because I am using PowerPoint. I think that zoom option will be there for you. There
Sir,
wherever. Uh,
सर वी आर राइटिंग सेपरेट बुक सर इंग्लिश ग्रामर की कॉपी अलग बनानी है
yes. See in the WhatsApp group I have already shared. I have
सर
shared in the
सेपरेट बुक
WhatsApp group. You can
सर
refer
वी आर
there in.
सर इंग्लिश ग्रामर की कॉपी से अलग बनानी है सर उसी में करना है इंग्लिश पे
Yes. Yes, tell
सर
me.
इंग्लिश ग्रामर की जो कॉपी है उसे अलग बनानी है सर इंग्लिश की कॉपी में लिखना है इसे
नहीं नहीं इंग्लिश के कॉपी में ही लिखना है यहाँ पे जो भी ग्रामर है ना वो जो भी वो ग्रामर इट विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू फॉर व्हाट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू फॉर स्टडी पर्पज जो भी ग्रामर आपको एग्जामिनेशन में आएगा उसके बारे में हम बोल देंगे अभी जो ग्रामर आप सीख रहे हैं अच्छी तरह से लिखने के लिए right?
सेपरेट बुक
So that is the reason why we are using this book, and I have sent it in the WhatsApp group also in advance. So if
सर
you
सेपरेट
not
बुक
read it, again you read it. Okay, fine.
ओके
Right.
ओके
Okay.
सर सेपरेट बुक
Abhi, right. So you can refer to your WhatsApp this one in case if you have got any problem. Right. I'm going ahead with this. So here the first one is the sentence. Yes. The first one
सर
is
सेपरेट बुक
the yes,
Sir,
the
can
sentence.
सर
we can't see it.
सेपरेट बुक ऑर्डर
So we can't see your content.
Yes.
सर नहीं दिख रहा है सर प्रेजेंटिंग
Like,
सर प्रेजेंटिंग सर
what happened?
Sir, Varun ordered he is presenting, sir. Your presentation gone, sir.
Okay, now are you able to see who is that? Varun. Okay, if somebody does that, then in that case, what we'll do? We'll just yes, yes. Tell what is the problem?
Sir, your sound is not coming, sir.
My sound is not coming. Yes, boys.
No, sir,
Are you
coming, sir.
you are
No,
able
sir,
to hear?
coming, sir.
It may be a network problem with
We are
system.
I'm able to hear you.
Yes. See, it may be a problem with somebody,
Sir,
but I think
your presentation has been gone, sir.
now are you not able to see?
Sir, it is, sir. It came, sir.
Okay, don't worry. I'll just
See, sir. Sir, we
okay.
can see, sir. No,
Sir,
sir.
make separate notes
We
for this grammar,
cannot
sir.
able to
Our
see this,
screen is
sir.
gone, sir. We are not able to see, sir. Sir,
Okay, now I think the
we
person
every
is
note, sir. Sir, again it gone, sir. Sir, now we
okay,
can
don't
see,
worry.
sir.
Now it will
Now
come.
it's pure clear. Sir,
Okay.
now we zoom in the content. Able to see. Sir, please zoom in the content.
See, that can be done at your, I think it is possible because I am just presenting this PowerPoint. So since it's a PowerPoint, yes, I'll just try. Hmm? Okay.
Sir, please zoom in the content.
Right. Okay. 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 Fine. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are happy now? Okay, okay. Right. So you can just read that. I'll just go to the first part. So I'm going to the lesson now. Top.
Sir.
Okay. Hmm.
Sir, we can't.
Okay, don't worry. I'm just trying. I'm coming to the right. Okay, the sentence. Yes. Now, first of all, let's see here. Are you able to hear? Yes,
Yes,
boys.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
is a sentence?
We are able
Ah,
to say,
what
sir.
is a sentence?
Yes.
Sentence is a group of words. Sentence is a group of words. Yes, that makes complete sentence is called a sentence. So sentence is what? It is a group of words. Right? Now, sentence का मतलब क्या है? वाक्य. और वाक्य में क्या? देखो, हम जब भी बात करते हैं ना, हम शब्द यूज करते हैं. कन्नड़ में पदा बोलते हैं ना, कन्नड़ में हम पदा बोलते हैं. तो ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು ಪದ. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, first it's a words what we use, and when these words we join,
Sir, please tell some
then what
Hindi.
happens? Then when we join these words, then what happens? We make a sentence. Then we make a sentence. Now here I can see many boys are just joining now. Right. So here, so what is a sentence? Sentence is very important for us. Concept of sentence is very important. A sentence is a group of words. So what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words. So here you can remember this. A group of words, that's a sentence. But what kind of group of words? That kind of group of words, yes, which is making a complete sense. So these two are they are very important. These two thoughts are very important here. Two ideas are very important here. A sentence is a group of words. जब जब I mean these words are joined together, then what happens? Then yes, some boys are joining now. Okay, when we join them, a group of words,
Sir, this
then we make
subject
a sentence.
extra book, sir.
This is yes, additional books. These are all additional grammar books. That's what we are studying. Now here, a group of words here. Sleeping is he. Sleeping. So these are all group of words. But simply if group of words are there, that will not make a sentence. So if simply group of words are there, that will not make a sentence. So in that case, what is required there? Yes, we have to make a sensible sentence, a meaningful one. So when you want to make it a sense, then what do? We join them in a particular order. We put them in a particular order. अभी देखो, जो भी शब्द है ना, हम जो भी बोलते हैं, ऐसे बोलेंगे तो उसका कुछ मीनिंग नहीं होता. तो उसका एक ऑर्डर होता है. जो भी है ना, अभी शब्द समूह से सिर्फ नहीं होता ना, वाक्य जो सो व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज वी हैव टू पुट देम इन अ ऑर्डर. अभी स्लीपिंग इजी, पहले क्या करेंगे हम? पहले सब्जेक्ट लेंगे. जो सब्जेक्ट है ना, अभी इसमें क्या है? एक प्रोनाउन आ गया. प्रोनाउन क्या है? व्हाट इज द प्रोनाउन देयर? ही. So we have to start with either noun we have to start with, or with a pronoun we have to start, and that makes a meaningful sentence. So here sleeping easy, that becomes he is sleeping. Sleeping easy, that becomes he is sleeping. Okay, right. He is sleeping. Next one. Star is the sun. So what will be there? The sun is a star.
The sun is a star.
Very good. Sun is a
Is
star.
a
So
star.
similar way, music
The
enjoying
sun is
are
a star.
they are enjoying.
Enjoying music.
Enjoying the music.
So they are enjoying music. So now here as we go, the group of words in column A do not make any sense. So in column A, whatever the group of words have been given, they are not meaningful sentences. They are just groups of words. वो क्या है? शब्द समूह है. पर सेकेंड कॉलम में जो भी है ना, दे आर ऑल वो क्या है? अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य है. सो दे आर ऑल मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. जो सेकेंड कॉलम में दिया है वो दोज आर ऑल मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट कॉलम में जो दिया है वो शब्द समूह है, पर उससे कुछ मतलब नहीं होता. आप जब भी बात करेंगे तो कुछ सेंस रहना चाहिए, उसका कुछ अर्थ रहना चाहिए. तो अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य बनाने के लिए एक ऑर्डर में हम लिखना चाहिए. So that is what is going to make a sense. So that is what is a sentence. Okay. The group of words in column A don't make any sense, whereas the group of words which are there in second column, they make a sense. Right? They make complete sense. So therefore they are called as sentences. यहाँ पे ये फर्स्ट जो है ना, इसमें हम सेंटेंस का मतलब क्या है ये समझ में आना. So what does sentence mean? A sentence means what? A group of words that makes complete sense. A group of words that makes complete sense. So we have to remember what we have to remember. You have to remember that the words in a sentence must be placed in the proper order. जो शब्द है ना, जो वाक्य में हम शब्द लिखेंगे वो शब्द प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में रहना चाहिए. तो पहले सब्जेक्ट आएगा या पहले नाउन आ जाएगा, उसके बाद वर्ब आ जाएगा. यस, इट हैज टू बी इन प्रॉपर ऑर्डर इन ऑर्डर टू मेक इट मीनिंगफुल. समझ में आ गया? सो इफ यू वांट इट मेक इट मीनिंगफुल, इन दैट केस प्रॉपर ऑर्डर इज रिक्वायर्ड. सेकेंडली, whenever you are starting a sentence, yes, whenever you are starting a sentence, it has to be with a capital letter. सो सेंटेंस जो भी शुरू करेंगे तो वो कैपिटल लेटर में रहना चाहिए. तो जब भी फर्स्ट वर्ड का जो फर्स्ट लेटर रहता है वो कैपिटल लेटर में रहना चाहिए. किसी का नाम लिखते होगे तो वो स्टार्ट कैसा करना चाहिए? You have to start with a capital letter. Okay, so sentence always begins with a capital letter. Next, a sentence must end with a full stop. सेंटेंस आखिर में क्या आएगा? एक तो फुल स्टॉप आएगा या क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा एंड एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. सो यू हैव टू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स. सो आइदर यू विल यूज फुल स्टॉप और यू विल यूज क्वेश्चन मार्क और एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. सो इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज देयर. सो किस तरह से सेंटेंस हम बोल रहे हैं. देखो, जब हम आश्चर्यचकित हो जाते हैं, देन इन दैट केस, जब बहुत ही आश्चर्य हो जाता है हमें, then in that case what happens? Then
Exclamation mark.
use of exclamation mark. Very good. Now ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ?
Question
ಕ್ವಶನ್.
mark.
Question mark.
ಯಾವುದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, in that case we make use of full stop.
Question mark.
Okay, very important one. A sentence must have a subject and a verb. A sentence must have a subject and verb. So remember these. Whenever you are writing a sentence, it has to be in proper order. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಬರೆಯೋತ್ತಿಗೆ all the words, ಯಾವುದು ಪದ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, it has to have a proper order. Secondly, sentence, whenever it begins, it should begin with a capital letter. So it should begin with a capital letter. Then a sentence must end with a full stop. A sentence must end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. So sentence end ಆಗೋತ್ತಿಗೆ full stop ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾರೆ question mark ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾರೆ exclamation mark ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, and a sentence ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? There must be a subject and there must be a verb. These two are very important. So remember these. Okay, we'll move on to the next one now. What is a phrase? See, this is also very important. Now let's compare a sentence with a phrase. A sentence is a group of words. Phrase is also a group of words. But ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ phrase ಮತ್ತೆ sentence ಅಲ್ಲಿ? See, in the case of a sentence, yes, I'll just write. Sentence, it has a group of words, but it makes complete sense.
Sentence ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಸರ್.
But a phrase ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? A group of words, any group of words, that's a phrase. See, ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಇರೋದು ಅದು ವಾಕ್ಯ. So when it makes a complete sense, that is sentence. But when a group of words makes some sense, like you see, we are using some words together in the house, by daytime, around the sun, to turn around. So some words are coming together. Then in that case, we say that is a phrase. See, this is a very, very important word. Phrase is a very important word, and you compare that phrase with what? You compare that with sentence. जिसको हम बोलेंगे शब्द समूह. कुछ words हम together use करते हैं. Some of the words together. Yes,
Sir, the
some
phrase is
words
a
we use together.
sentence.
Please
Yes.
repeat one
हाँ,
second.
Sir,
so
the
when we do
sentence
those
पूर्ण
words
नहीं होता
together,
उसे हम फ्रेज कह सकते हैं क्या सर?
is a part of
yes,
sentence. Sir,
phrase is a
अर्थपूर्ण
group of
नहीं होता.
words. Yes, phrase is a group of words, but it will make not complete sense. It will not make a complete sense. Okay, it will
yes,
not
sir.
make a complete sense.
सर
Right.
सर अर्थपूर्ण नहीं होता तब हम उसे फ्रेज कह सकते हैं क्या सर?
हाँ, बोल सकते, बोल तो कंप्लीट अर्थ नहीं रहता उसमें. वो कंप्लीट देखो सेंटेंस में वाक्य में क्या रहता है, कंप्लीट सेंस इट विल गिव, कंप्लीट मीनिंग इट विल गिव. सेंस का मतलब क्या है, अर्थ. सेंस का मतलब अर्थ है. तो पूरा अर्थ जिसमें रहता है ना, दैट इज अ सेंटेंस. वाक्य उसको बोलते हैं. फ्रेज में क्या है, पूरा अर्थ नहीं
Voice
रहेगा.
is not clear, sir.
Somebody is putting the speaker on.
Sir, voice is not clear, sir.
Your voice is no problem. Somebody. Okay. Now it's clear to you.
Sir, your voice is double, sir.
It is double
Then it
because
will be correct.
Sir, your voice is echoing, sir. Your voice is echoing, sir. Sir, your
okay.
voice is
Now
echoing.
yes. Now phrase. Okay. In the house, around the sun.
Sir,
These are all phrases. These are all phrases. So you have to see the difference between what, phrase and sentence. Phrase का मतलब है a group of words, but that will not
Sir,
make complete sense.
sir, anything, sir,
बोलो. Yes, tell.
sir,
Sir, I have a doubt.
प्रेस बन सकता सर.
हाँ?
कौन से भी वर्ड्स मिलकर प्रेस बन सकता सर.
नहीं, कौन से भी वर्ड्स बोल तो उसमें क्या है, वो भी अर्थपूर्ण चाहिए ना. इन द हाउस हम देखो प्रेपोजिशनल फ्रेज बोलते हैं. अभी इधर इन प्रेपोजिशन यूज किया है, तो जब हम प्रेपोजिशन तभी यूज करेंगे इन, उसको द भी आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे ना. इन द हाउस वो भी अर्थपूर्ण होना चाहिए ना उसका, पर वहां पे कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं रहेगा.
थोड़ा सा
देखो
चाहिए सर
इट विल हैव अ
meaning.
सम सेंस, सम मीनिंग विल बी देयर. हाँ, फ्रेज में क्या है,
तो
सम सेंस विल बी देयर. देखो the
It
I
does
think
not have
once
subject, sir.
when we are using words together in a corner, in the house, अभी जो सेंटेंस रहता है ना उसमें सब्जेक्ट रहेगा.
Sir,
उसको
sir,
यस टेल. हाँ, लेट्स
उसमें
मूव.
सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है, सर.
हाँ, इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है. वेरी गुड. हाँ, बराबर है. इसमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है.
डायरेक्ट वर्ब को जाता है, सर. वो
वेरी गुड. वहां पे देखो, नहीं जब वर्बल फ्रेज रहेगा ना तभी वर्बल फ्रेज हम यूज करेंगे. देखो जंप इनटू, यहाँ पे वर्ब है जंप इनटू, पर इसमें क्या रहता है, सब्जेक्ट रहता है, वर्ब रहता है. सो मेनी कंडीशंस आर देयर. इट विल बिगिन विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर, इट विल एंड विथ अ फुल स्टॉप. इसमें फ्रेज में ऐसा कुछ नहीं रहता, वो शब्द समूह रहता है. वी यूज ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स देयर. Okay, so now we'll move on to the next one concept. That's our next chapter. We'll move on to the
sir, I
next one.
also have a doubt.
Your doubts will take up later. Okay, a group of words which makes some sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Okay, now I am moving to the next one. Now shall I move on to the next one? Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can see sir.
Yes, now here is a exercise. So can you see this okay. Okay, we are going to the exercise now. Now when we are looking at this exercise, it will be clear to you. अभी आ गया आपको समझ, देख रहे हैं आप? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Please exercise 2.
Exercise
Yes,
2.
sir.
Okay, exercise 2. Now given below, there are, yes, exercise 2. यहाँ पे, yes, what is given there in the exercise? Now this will be clear to you. What is a sentence and what is a phrase? Don't worry about writing. See, this is for understanding. Don't worry about writing. Writing part you can do later. Now here, if you want, you can write now. If you want, just yes.
Sir, you should write it, sir.
See, you can make hay while the sun shines. See, time is not there much, so that's why that you can write later. But just try. If you want, you can write P or S. Now make hay. You can just write P or S. Afterwards, you write
Sir,
completely.
your voice is not coming, sir.
Shrishal, that is the problem with you. Yes, Shrishal, that is the
Good,
problem
sir.
only with you. Others, I think it's quite clear. Okay. Make hay while the sun shines. Is it clear to you? Yes.
It is
What?
Sir, please mute
Sentence, sir.
off our
No,
mic,
I
sir.
want you to give
That
answer.
will be correct.
It's a sentence. On the table. What is it? On the table? Is it a
Phrase.
sentence or phrase?
Phrase.
Phrase. Very good.
Yes.
He had a little lamb.
It's a
He
phrase.
had a little lamb.
what is
First sentence.
First one is a sentence. See,
Sentence.
first one is a sentence. Make hay while the sun shines.
Sentence.
ये
Sentence.
sentence भी है और ये अच्छा proverb भी है. Okay, like saying or saying.
Sir.
हाँ, right. Next one. अभी fourth one, reading a book. Reading a book.
Phrase.
Sentence.
Phrase.
Fourth one,
Phrase.
pairs. Sir, phrase.
Reading a book is phrase. During the day. During the day. Hey, I am reading books.
Phrase.
Yes.
Sentence.
Sentence.
Last one sentence. Last
Yes.
one sentence. Seventh one sentence. Eighth one pairs.
Okay. Right. I am making it okay.
Seventh one pairs.
From here, phrase. In the class.
Last one phrase, sir. Sentence. Please stop one by one. First, pairs. Seventh one pairs.
Four. Okay. Now here, I just okay.
Sir, please say exercise 2 once again.
Okay. Exercise 2.
Sir, how first one become not understanding, sir.
Okay. Here. Now here, let's go to this one. Exercise 1. Here. I think I'll just see here. What is there? Exercise 1. Now here. Glass is on the table. Right. Tell. Glass is on the table. The glass is on the table. Next sentence.
the glass in
Tiger shot. See the exam. Okay. Next one.
Shoot the tiger. Shoot the tiger.
Are playing in the field.
Okay.
Shoot the tiger. Playing in the field. Children are playing in the field. The children are playing in the
All of
field.
you stop it now. Okay, fine. Enough. Yes, Srishel, Parth, Bhumika, all of you stop. I'll just tell you. You have given the answer now. Let me just tell. Now, tiger shot the hunter. The hunter shot the tiger. Like the hunter shot the. Very good. The hunter shot the tiger. So the hunter shot. Yes, the hunter shot the tiger. So you have to begin with
The
what?
hunter shot the tiger.
The hunter shot the tiger. You have to begin with this. The hunter shot the tiger. Now you are playing the
The
children.
hunter shot the tiger.
The children
The children are playing in the field.
are playing in the field. The children are playing.
The children are playing.
Okay. With next one. A stitch in time.
Please tell one by one.
Please. Okay, all of you.
Please tell one
stop
by
here.
one.
Okay, all of you stop here. Then I'll tell. Okay, one by one. I'll start with the second one. Don't interrupt. I'll start with the second one. The hunter shot the tiger. The hunter shot the tiger. Second one. The children. Now, the children, that is, you are beginning with that, are playing. The children are playing.
Please ask one by one, sir.
Wait, I have asked, and yes, the children are playing in the field. Third one, who will tell?
The children are
Yes,
playing in
fourth
the
one.
field.
Fourth
The
one,
children
who wants to tell? One at a time. Vinny. Yes, one. Yes, one of you can tell. Tell.
Saves 9.
Huh? A
Stitch in
stitch.
time saves 9.
Very good. A stitch in time. A stitch
Saves 9.
saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. Very good. एक
Sir, fifth
टाका,
one, my father is
देखो
an engineer.
एक टाका
My father is an engineer.
सही समय पे
My
डालोगे
father is an engineer.
अभी नोट
An
अभी
engineer.
father
is an engineer.
जरूरत नहीं
Nine.
है
Talking all of you.
my father is an engineer
My
my
father is an
father
engineer. I will.
is an
My father is an
engineer
engineer. Is an engineer.
My father is an engineer.
My
okay
father
fine
is an engineer. Sir, fifth one. My father is an engineer.
right so we have done both these
My father
exercises
is an engineer.
okay right I'm just going to the next one now
Fourth one.
yes
Sir, we should write it in pen or pencil.
I have a doubt in
What
first
is-
chapter.
see
Sir,
you
I
can
have a doubt.
what is the doubt
I have a doubt, sir. We want to put a
Ah,
new
sir,
note
please
for
take
grammar. Sir,
who has
please
got doubt
take-
tell. What is
Sir,
your doubt
we want to.
Please
Sir,
take exercise 2.
hello, sir.
yes, exercise 2 tell what is there
Sir, please tell all to raise hand. Who
Ah,
has?
Sir, please yes, exercise
Sandesh,
2 1.
okay
Sir,
Sandesh tell what
we
is
want
your
to
doubt
put exercise
Yes,
one.
Sandesh.
Sir,
Exercise 1
we want to put notes for grammar.
yes
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Separate
tell what is your
notebook.
doubt
Please exercise 2 once again.
exercise 1
Bye,
once again
sir. No,
Sir,
sir,
exercise 2 once again.
First one, sir.
fine, don't worry I'll
Sir,
just,
exercise fourth one, sir. Sir,
Sir,
please, sir, all of sir,
what is meant by a stick in
okay
time?
make while a while the sun shines
Sir,
is it a sentence or a phrase
Please exercise 2.
I have a doubt, sir.
Ah,
First question, how it
Sir,
becomes
please
sentence,
tell
sir.
all to raise hand who has doubt, sir.
yes now Sandesh you want to ask something ask yes Sandesh what is your doubt no doubt
Sir,
What-
tell all of one to raise hand who have doubt, sir.
okay now over Varun you want to tell something tell what is that you want to tell
Sir, exercise 2, fourth one question, I have a doubt, sir.
exercise 2 fourth one tell what is the doubt
Pair.
a stitch in time
First chapter,
a
sir.
stitch at the beginning it will be a stitch in time
Okay.
saves 9 इसका मतलब क्या
Sir,
है सही
sir,
समय पर एक
exercise
टाका
2 once
डालेंगे
again.
तो 9 डाल
Sir, I
stitch
have a
in
doubt.
time
Sir, tell exercise 2
saves
answers.
9 a stitch in time saves 9 okay that is a proverb
Say exercise 2 answers.
ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತು ಅದು ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತು tell what else is there
Sir,
Yes.
exercise 2 answers tell again.
exercise 2 make hay while the sun shines that is a sentence yes that is a sentence make hay while the sun shines that is a sentence
Exercise
on the table that is a phrase
Yes.
Mary had a little
Hello,
lamb
sir.
that is a sentence Mary had a little lamb that is a sentence you have to know the difference between sentence and phrase.
Answers.
Okay, I am going to the next one. If you have got doubt, at the end we'll see. Okay, I am
Sir,
going to the
sir.
next one now. Uh,
Sir, we want to write exercises in notebook.
yes, you have to write in the notebook. Don't worry about the doubt. We can discuss about it later. Okay.
Okay,
Now I am going to the
okay.
second one. Kinds of sentences.
from beginning,
And
sir.
as we go on, yes, as we go on, you can ask me later. Towards the end. So first, let's at the beginning you learn. Afterwards, we'll see. Kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. One is assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So there are 4 kinds of sentences. How many kinds of sentences?
Of sentences.
4 kinds of sentences.
First
Okay.
statement sentence.
4. Now assertive sentence जो है ना first sentence assertive sentence. अभी you don't have to remember as assertive statement. You can just remember as a
Operative
statement.
sentence is not have there, sir.
Yep,
Sir,
sir.
what is the meaning,
So
sir?
we
Mean
got
of
write as a
exclamatory
declarative
sentence, sir?
Huh? Yes.
What is the meaning of exclamatory sentence, sir?
Wait here. I am just explaining to you. Now coming down to assertive sentence. Assertive sentence that states it's a statement. Assertive statement, yes, it is a statement. Assertive sentence is a statement. Okay. Now here Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So it will begin with a capital letter and with a full stop. John is fond of a orange. We can call it as a statement also. जिसको हम विधान बोलेंगे हिंदी में ना. Oh yeah, John is fond of. अक्सर हम इसमें assertive sentence में बोलते हैं. अक्सर हम जो भी बोलते हैं ना statement रहता है. So John is fond of oranges. He will come here tomorrow. Sakshi will not visit us tonight. So it will begin with a capital letter and with a full stop. कभी it can be positive or negative. And sometimes we'll use not here. He will come here tomorrow. He will not come here tomorrow. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. जब हम negative बनाते हैं ना, Humpty Dumpty did not sit on a wall. वैसा negative भी sentence बना सकते हैं. Sakshi will, so last sentence is a negative sentence. Sakshi will not visit us tonight. और Sakshi और positive sentence जब बनाते हैं ना, Sakshi will visit us tonight.
will visit us
हाँ.
tonight.
So first one is assertive. Second one is interrogative. What is second one? Second one
Interrogative. Interrogative.
Ah.
Interrogative sentence.
See some Shivraj. See somebody when you do this,
is gone,
it is gone because of Shivraj. Who has done that?
Yes,
So
sir.
Shivraj who has done it. Yes, it will be noted down. If somebody tries to do all that, it will be noted down and he will be marked 0. He will be given less marks if somebody tries to do that. Okay. Now he will not get any marks. Interrogative sentence. Let's go to next one now. Interrogative sentence. Yes, can you see the screen now? Now
Yes, sir.
interrogative sentence is a question. Interrogative sentence is a question. Yes, Shivraj, I hope you understood. It is noted down. When somebody tries with a screen, when some जो भी कोई, I mean, see, at a time you should speak, right? Secondly, you should not try with this presentation, whatever I've been presenting. तो second sentence जो है ना, that is a question.
Sorry to
Interrogative
yes,
sentence.
sir, मेरा हाथ सा गलती से कीबोर्ड पर रख गया था.
Okay, fine. What is the name of your school? Do you have a pen? Is she at home today? So here we are beginning with question word like what is the name? What? WH. That is a question word. Or at the end we are using question mark. So interrogative sentence का मतलब क्या है? Question. जो भी question रहता है ना उसको हम interrogative sentence बोलते हैं. So when you want to make a question, जब question करते हैं ना अलग अलग तरह से हम question बनाते हैं. कभी WH words use करते हैं. Or if yes or no questions, it will be do you have a pen? Is she at home tonight, today? Where do you live? So interrogative sentences are questions. We'll go to the third one, that is imperative sentence. कभी हम order देते हैं ना, तभी please give me some food. हम request करते हैं. That is imperative sentence. Order देते हैं, instructions देते हैं, command देते हैं, advise करते हैं, stand up at once. Sometimes we will not use you. So here in an imperative sentence, the subject you is usually omitted. Subject you ko, I mean usually we don't use. Like here, stand up, come here, you come, actually get out of here. So you are giving order there, you are giving advice. इस इस तरह का जो सेंटेंस रहता है, this kind of sentence we call it as imperative sentence. And last type of sentence, that is what is it? It's a exclamatory sentence. So last type of sentence is exclamatory. Yes, can you see exclamatory sentence?
Sir, one more sentence, sir.
Exclamatory.
Sir, operative sentence.
What is given here, we are looking at that only. Here exclamatory sentence. So a sentence that expresses a sudden feeling. अभी what a beautiful performance. यहाँ पे क्या है? We begin with a capital letter, end with a exclamation mark. May she live in peace. Let her live in peace. हाँ, well done. हम किसको बहुत अच्छा किया है ना, उसके लिए हम बोलेंगे बहुत अच्छा किया. Well done. We say well done. How wonderful. Yes, how wonderful it is. So remember,
Sir, when we
every
can write.
sentence- Yes, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Then in the case of assertive sentence, we use a full stop. In the case of interrogative sentence, what do we use? In the case of interrogative sentence, we use question mark.
Question mark.
And if it's exclamatory sentence, we use exclamation mark or exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
Okay. So
Difficult, sir.
yes.
Sir,
Now your
sir,
first
I
one,
have
let's
one
see
doubt,
here.
sir.
What is the
Two
yes? I'll
lines
take
is
up your
breaking.
doubts later. He does not want to go home. What kind of sentence it is? This first one is assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Assertive sentence.
Sentence.
Or this is then next one.
Sentence.
Will you meet her?
Assertive sentence.
Superlative.
Very good.
Interrogative.
What does present tense provide?
Interrogative
Okay.
sentence.
Third one.
Interrogative sentence. Second one.
Third is exclamatory.
Exclamation.
Exclamatory. Very
Fourth
good.
is
Exclamatory sentence.
third one
Playing
is
in the rain is
exclamatory.
fun. It is.
Fourth is imperative.
Yes.
Affirmative. Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Assertive.
Fifth is
You
exclamation.
are done as
Can't
proud.
hear you, sir.
talking. It's so
You
Yes.
sentence.
Okay, you are done as proud. What is it? You are done as proud. The exclamation mark is there at the end.
Exclamatory.
Exclamation, right?
Exclamatory.
Exclamatory sentence you can say.
Sentence.
Shut the door.
Sir, what is the answer of fourth?
Third one, playing. Okay. Fourth one is
Sentence.
Imperative, sir. Imperative.
which one?
Assertive sentence. Fourth one is
Fifth one is imperative.
Imperative.
Seventh one is also imperative. Please
One
read
is
Exclamatory
imperative. Seventh one is imperative.
Exclamatory sentence.
imperative.
Seven
Eighth
exclamatory
one.
sentence. Please imperative, sir.
Eighth one.
Affirmative. Affirmative.
The ducks are
Exclamatory.
assertive. You must complete your homework.
Eighth one affirmative.
Okay.
Exclamatory.
Ninth one.
In 12th is
Ninth one is imperative sentence.
Okay.
hear you, sir.
Now come here.
Imperative,
That's
sir. Imperative.
Interrogative
I have
sentence.
lost my
10th one.
case. That is
Tenth one
exclamatory.
interrogative sentence. 11th one
Leave the room
Exclamatory sentence.
immediately.
Sentence.
Okay. Right. Leave the room.
Imperative sentence.
Yes. Now I'm going to. Yes.
imperative
Now,
sentence.
yes. We'll go to the next exercise. Exercise 2. Be quiet. Now here you have to use correct
Point.
punctuation marks. You have to use correct punctuation marks and you have to do this. See, you have been given skill book. You have been given skill book and that will be your homework. So be quiet in this case. Be quiet. So you have to be here. It will be capital. Yes, B will be capital and it will end with a full stop. Yes.
सर हमें रीडर में लिखना चाहिए क्या सर?
हाँ आपके पास रीडर रहेगा तो रीडर बुक में ही लिखो. इफ यू डोंट हैव बुक देन इन दैट केस यू हैव टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. और मैंने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में दिया है स्किल बुक
Sir,
में.
what
दैट
is the
आल्सो आई
homework?
विल शेयर इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड दैट
Sir,
विल
what is the
बी
homework?
homework. Exercise 2 will be homework. See, exercise 2 you can write in the notebook as well as here. There's no problem. It's a simple one. Exercise 2 that can be done by you. There's absolutely no problem.
But we
Okay,
can write
you
in
can do
textbook.
exercise 2. There's no problem.
Sir, is this video will be uploaded